That's the number one, followed by the word spot and media.
Up first this evening, there were hints of confusion at the office of the police commissioner on Thursday after it appeared George Coelho turned up for work a day after he was supposed to have demitted office.
Mr. Coelho, who it is believed was pressured into leaving the job, went to the office as he usually did, raising speculation that he was not ready to hand over to Deputy Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake, who took up responsibility as acting Commissioner of Police.
The situation is being downplayed by the Police High Command, which has rejected reports that 2 commissioners showed up for work today. TVJ's Anthony Lugg tells us more.
Is he in or is he out? It's a question many had been asking as speculation surfaced Thursday that Commissioner George Coelho showed up for work despite indications he was to depart. The issue was a major discussion among opposition senators in the upper house.
The confusion this morning of 2 commissioners turning up at office. Commissioner Coelho turning up and say, I don't get no letter. And Commissioner Blake acting. That's the type of confusion we're getting from this government.
Who is the Commissioner of Police? Can't have 2 at any one time. That ushers in chaos.
Clarification was sought from the Police Service Commission, but we were referred to the Corporate Communications Unit CCU of the JCF, which confirmed that Mr. Coelho showed up at the Commissioner's office on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew on Thursday, but not to work. The CCU said Mr. Coelho was there to formally hand over to Deputy Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake. We tried to contact the acting commissioner, but several calls to his phone went unanswered. However, speaking on Tuesday's Balancing Justice on RJR 94 FM, DCP Blake disclosed that among his interim plans is to boost the numbers in the JCF. The first batch of new policemen and women are scheduled to begin training in March. A former head of the Area 4 Police Division, DCP Blake is one of 2 remaining Deputy Commissioners of Police in the JCF. And while it's early days yet, several persons from his hometown in St. Elizabeth believe he should be given the opportunity to head the JCF beyond an interim period.
He's a man of honesty, integrity and trust, someone who I've known over the years and displayed those qualities.
He has the potential and ability to solve crime in Jamaica with the help of the people.
Mr. Blake, although he's young, but I'd like you to take that position to see if we can get things going.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.